Look in my eyes, tell me your tale, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the...
Open your Alight Motion. Now that you've opened your Alight Motion, you're going to click on either create project here, or you click on this blue green plus sign down here to start a new project. So I'm going to click here and I'll choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and I want my background to be black. So I'm going to choose black. So create from scratch. Now that we've created this, I'm going to click on this green plus sign here. I'm going to click on media and I'll bring in my video file right here. Okay, this is my video file. It is, my video file is 5 seconds, 5 seconds long, right? Okay, now I want to create a crop. I want to crop this video. So I'm going to click on this media here, and then I am going to bring in this ink splash Instagram logo. Okay, now I want this video to be playing right in the middle of this Instagram logo right there, where you see my cursor moving right there. So now if I just go ahead to do that, you see this black background is going to be interfering with the video. So first thing I want to do, if you have any image or shape that you want to use and there's nothing interfering with the shape, just leave it like that and then go ahead and do it. But I do not like the square around the Splash Ink Instagram logo, so I'm going to remove it. So first of all, I'm going to apply effect. I'm going to click on add effect and I'm going to choose chroma key, and then I'll choose standard settings. So I'm going to change this green right here to black. You see, it automatically removed the black around the ink splash Instagram logo. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'll click on move and transform. And then I'm going to click right here to increase the size. Okay. So now that I've increased the size to where I want it to be, we are going to proceed. So another thing I want to do now, I want to increase the length of the Instagram logo just so that it will be the same length with the video. So I'm going to click right here. When you click on this icon right here, it will increase the length. So I'm going to click on that one, and now we have the same length. So the next thing I want to do is to highlight the two. Now, if you look at this over here, these icons right here, over here on top right corner of your screen, we're going to select the second one. So automatically you see the video now appears right inside the Instagram logo.
Look in my eyes, tell me your tale, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the...
Perfect. So that's how you are going to create this. So if you want to go ahead and export your video, you can click on export right here. It's exporting the video, but then you can have a play.
Look in my eyes, tell me your tale, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the...
So that is how you crop any video using Alight Motion.